Hello everyone, here's Joseph from Ration Package. We are specialized in package design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you electronic pulp tray. Look at here. The box made of two pulp tray. As you can see, it is very smooth in the surface. This one is white pulp tray and this side is black pulp tray. It is different from other pulp trays in that it is made of two pulp trays recombination, including the shape of the pulp tray, which is molded by our mold. It doesn't need two extra coats to made. In addition, there is a groove to place the product, which has a good holding effect on the product. Of course, if you want to design other colors, as long as you provide patent color number for us, we can design it for you. And our product has a series of certification, for example, ROSE, FDA, ISO 9001. In the production process, our product has achieved zero pollution, zero addition, and zero emission. The wastewater and cutting color material can be reused, including defective products can also be recycled. Truly achieve the concept of environmental protection. The important thing is that it degrades 100% within 3 months. If you are interested with our product, welcome to contact with us. We will provide you a satisfactory service. Thank you for your watching. Bye.